Hi, I'm Joe, and welcome back to Power Packs. I'm here today with Alex Guyette to talk about plate mounting tape. Alex, can you talk about yourself and the company you work for?
Hi, Joe. Thanks so much for having me. I'm Alex Guyette. I'm the Application Solution Engineer for the Print and Packaging Solutions team at Tesa Tape. Tesa is an adhesive solutions provider with over 125 years of experience.
Wow, that's a ton of experience for the industry. We all know the principles of plate mounting tape. It's a double-sided tape that helps hold the printing plate to the sleeve or cylinder, but there must be more to it than that.
Yeah, it can actually be quite complex. At its most basic, it's just a film with two sides of adhesive. But in our industry, typically we're talking about a foam tape that's either 15 or 20 mil thick. At Tesa, we like to break that down into three more categories. First is the foam. We provide up to 7 different durometers to impact the print quality and get the best quality possible. Next, we talk about the core. These are additional layers that we can add to that foam that provide additional strength, stability, and functionality. And then last, we like to talk about the adhesive, obviously. We offer a range of solutions that can be customized depending on what you need in your press room.
So you mentioned there are three multiple foam diameters. Why would a printer use one versus the other?
In general, we're always going to recommend a soft tape for dots or super fine graphics, a hard tape for printing solids like whites or varnish plates, and then some sort of medium tape for those jobs that often have both elements on the same plate. But we offer actually up to 7 different durometers, and that's so that we can customize the specific softness or hardness to whatever plate durometer you're using, analog settings, or press conditions.
Well, thank you for that answer. So you mentioned adhesives earlier. So how would I pick the right adhesive then?
The right adhesive is all about what's going on in your mounting room and on your press. So we might start with a traditional super tacky adhesive. These have been tried and true. They're going to stick well even in conditions that are cold or maybe where we aren't able to clean and get all that ink and grease off the back of the plate. But when you go to demount later, they can leave an adhesive residue. In those areas where we can focus a little bit more on our SOP, make sure everything's nice and clean, we're going to recommend a low tack adhesive. This is going to provide the same adhesive qualities as the high tack, sometimes even better, but it's also going to allow us to take the plate off later with no adhesive residue left.
So foam hardness impacts the print quality and the adhesive impacts how well it sticks. What about the core?
The core can sometimes be difficult because you can't really see it and you can't really feel it, but it's essentially the extra layers that we add to the foam that provide that extra functionality. At Tesa, we actually make 2 different cores. Our classic uses a PET foam. This gives the tape an overall stiffness, which is great for mounting and demounting. We also make our flex, which uses a PE foam. This allows the tape to stretch and actually expand and contract with the sleeve as you take it on and off the mandrel. This is really great for thin-walled sleeves or damaged sleeves because that flexibility allows it to sit into those grooves and stick better.
Wow, thank you for that. And thanks, Alice, for joining me today and talking about plate mounting tape. And thanks for joining us today for this educational video. Stay tuned for future videos.
We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.